Property tycoon Nick Candy is at the heart of a legal dispute with former business partner Robert Bonnier, CEO and founder of online business directory Scoot. Bonnier was given a record fine in 2004 for misleading the stock market, and now Candy's firm, Candy Ventures Sarl, CVS, is suing Bonnier for claims of fraud. The dispute involves Candy's firm investing in Aqua, a social media company, in return for Aqua shares. Bonnier denies any fraud and is instead bringing a claim for losses suffered after Candy's firm obtained a worldwide freezing order against assets in Bonnier's name and in the name of Aqua. The dispute escalated after it was discovered that shares belonging to CVS had been pledged as security against a loan on property in Candy's development with his brother Christian, 1 Hyde Park, the most expensive property in Britain bought by Nick Candy himself. CVS's lawyers asked for a bank guarantee as fortification against losses, and when that guarantee didn't come through, the freezing orders were lifted. Bonnier is claiming the freezing orders were wrongly granted and had a catastrophic impact, causing the loss of 160 jobs and €195 million. CVS, for its part, claims that the losses suffered by Bonnier and Aqua could not have been caused by the freezing orders and that their value has been grossly overstated. According to a court transcript seen by The Guardian, Candy's lawyers said the losses were arrived at on a spurious basis. Candy, in addition to the lawsuits, has reported Robert Bonnier to the Financial Conduct Authority, the Serious Fraud Office and the FBI in multiple jurisdictions. CVS denies the claims of fraudulent misrepresentation made against it, and stands by its claim that Robert Bonnier has deceived investors, lied, and manipulated share prices for Audioboom. The dispute has been heated and shows no sign of cessation. The conflict between Candy Ventures Sarl and Robert Bonnier is a financial and legal battle unlike any other. It has played out in the highest court in Britain and seen the transfer of billions of dollars worth of wealth. It has resulted in hundreds of people losing their jobs, and the dispute remains an open sore. Property tycoon Nick Candy has been at the center of it all. He has been an investor in tech startups and early-stage companies and is married to former Neighbours star Holly Valance. The two were recently seen at the wedding of Princess Eugenie in 2018. Candy and his firm, Candy Ventures Sarl, are fighting hard to dismiss the claims being made against them, and Robert Bonnier has just as fervently defended his right to restitution. The two sides have been exchanging accusations and counterclaims, and their financial worths have been called into question. It is impossible to predict the outcome. The dispute remains unresolved and the legal filings endless. It is a dispute that could prove to be the most expensive of its kind, one in which billions of dollars, hundreds of jobs, and even the fate of Britain's most expensive home are at stake. This legal battle could have far-reaching consequences for both involved, and for its watching world.